Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel today. I'll show you how to make a natural beetroot lip balm right at home for beautiful, naturally pink lips. This DIY recipe is easy to make, has no harsh chemicals, and nourishes your lips with the goodness of beetroot, coconut oil, and vitamin E. Let's get started. First, we need fresh beetroot juice. Begin by extracting juice from a beetroot, grate it or blend it, and then strain the juice to remove any pulp. Now, pour the beetroot juice into a small pan. Next, cook the beetroot juice on low flame. Stir it gently until it reduces to a thick, concentrated consistency. Once it's ready, turn off the flame and let it cool slightly. Now, take 1 tablespoon of the thickened beetroot juice and add half a tablespoon of Vaseline, petroleum jelly. If it's not mixing well, we'll use the double boiler method. Fill a larger pan with a bit of water, bring it to a simmer, then place your bowl of beetroot juice and Vaseline in the pan. Stir until they blend smoothly. Once the Vaseline is mixed, add in half a tablespoon of coconut oil. This will give extra hydration and help make the balm smoother. Stir well. Finally, add 2 vitamin E capsules by poking them and squeezing the oil into the mixture. Vitamin E is great for nourishing and protecting your lips. After mixing everything well, pour the balm mixture into a clean balm tube or small container. Let it sit in the refrigerator to set. When you need it, you'll have a beautifully tinted, hydrating beetroot lip balm ready to go. If kept in the refrigerator, it can last for up to 3 to 4 weeks without losing its freshness. Without refrigeration, try to use it within 1 to 2 weeks to keep it at its best quality. Be sure to store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight, as natural ingredients can spoil faster at room temperature. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY recipe. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more natural beauty recipes. Thanks for watching.